What is this layout called again?
The hypergraphical
It's called a what? What's it called? An orthographic projection alignment map. This is called a orthographic. Gentlemen. Shh. Orthographic projection alignment map. Okay? Put your name up here in case you missed, and today's date. Hey, good morning. What are you doing?
I'm in Miss Smith's class. She said, "Do you got heat?"
I do have heat. She doesn't have heat.
Nope.
All right, our orthographic projection alignment map. You're going to need this paper. You're going to need a pencil. You're going to need a ruler, aka a straight edge. All right, so let's get started. We're going to reproduce. Nakai. We're going to reproduce this image right here. We're going to reproduce this on our map.
All right, so I'm doing that as well.
Okay?
Can you put the picture of the blue classroom?
I will. So now the importance of this is, I'm going to start here. And I know I'm going this way and this way. And since we don't have any measurements on this, I'm going to guesstimate our size.
Get to it.
All right, apologies again for having to pause and then start.
0, 1, 2.
All right, so I'm going to start here. I'm starting here. Can you guys see this? I'm going to use a marker. I'm going to use a black marker so you can see this. So we start here, 0. Remember, there's no phone calls in during class. 0, 1, 2. These are skinny items. Let's guesstimate. 0, 1, 2. All right, and then I'm going to come down here. What?
So like, I thought you were supposed to write that in our notebook. You supposed to do that in our notebook?
No, we're doing this on this piece of paper I just gave you. Yeah.
Nah, what I say?
Yeah. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to guesstimate. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to 5.
You go 5?
0, 1, 2. And then we already know that this meets right here.
0, 1, 2.
These are my direction lines as to where I need to draw,
This one looks too big.
where I need to connect.
No, it don't. It's perfect.
Start 2 from the bottom. So you're going to start 2 from the bottom. You're going to bypass this word that says tape here.
Man, I already did it with you.
I will let you erase on this one. So we're working on the rear right now. We're working on the rear. Now, do you remember how I said that it has to be level? Everything's got to be level. if you have one, if you don't, I want you to get a blue coloring pencil right now. Sorry, I forgot that on your supply list when I was starting. So you need to start this with, you need to have a pencil,
Take the L.
a straight edge, and a blue coloring pencil.
What's the difference between the blues?
One might be more purple than the other. Huh?
No,
That works.
Wait, all
You need to have a pencil. You need to have your pencil, a blue coloring pencil, your straight edge. That's
Like, it
okay.
can't be red.
Nope. Blue.
I don't like blue.
Well, I do.
On top roof.
So therefore, we're doing blue. No, we're doing blue, and it's for a reason, and I'll tell you why as soon as we do this. So have you ever seen real blueprints?
Yeah, and blue.
They're blue. Do you know why they're blue?
Why they blue?
Historically, blue is very hard to Xerox copy. So you couldn't put your article, yes ma'am. You could not put your plans. Nobody has heat down here? Did you,
I did heart, Loudon.
Oh, you
ow. So traditionally, blueprints are called blueprints because they're printed blue, or they have blue lines on white paper, okay? And it's traditionally historically, it was very hard to color, to Xerox copy, put it on a copy machine and copy the color blue. All right, with ancient technology. With modern technology, you need to put a watermark in your work. You need to place a watermark in there. Because if you try to copy something that has a good watermark in it, then the watermark's going to get copied with it. And if you try to copy it so that there is no watermark, you're not going to get a good copy of whatever you're trying to steal. So just don't do it. All right? Protect yourself also. So here's what I want you to do with your blue pencil, and I had to get out a long ruler for this. Take your ruler, put it at the bottom of what the first item we just sketched, that we just laid out to sketch, and you're going to draw a blue line going all the way across. How?
No, but like, you
Like that.
Everything gonna start at that blue line.
Huh? Then, and you don't have to push hard, you just need a light blue line. Then you're going to come up to the next one. Do the same thing. You're going to go all the way across. If the line goes outside the shape, perfectly fine, and I would like to see it like that too. You're going to come up to the next flat part of your shape, and you're going to do the same thing. Oh, I'm
I
sorry.
need a different ruler. This ruler is too thick.
I'm pushing down hard so you can see my blue lines.
You also got a darker pencil there.
Yeah, I chose it on purpose so you can see it. But as long as you can see it, because these are your guidelines. Okay, these are your guidelines. Don't get rid of your blue pencil because you are going to need it again.
Yeah, stop doing that, gang.
So if this is our rear, and we fold this
Do I gotta highlight
on our left side,
rear stuff?
no, you don't have to highlight that. I'm doing that for the video. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do this. How far from the fold edge is this dot? Is this corner? One. Okay, so we're gonna start one right here on this line. Now, if you did yours so that you're 2 away, you're gonna do 2 away. Okay, oh, let me get my marker out again.
Do I connect my lines yet?
You don't have to, you can if you want to, but you don't have to.
Dang. I really pop in whatever you
Been
do.
here for 30 minutes.
I wasn't in there.
Where's my pass?
Jane together.
Oh, okay. All right. So we're gonna go up. We know we go up. We know we go this way. Okay. How far away from the edge is this? How far away from the edge should I do this one? 2. 0, 1, 2. Do I have to count? Do I have to count right now?
No, you don't.
Am I counting? No, I don't have to count right now. Why do I not have to count? Somebody tell me.
Because we got the blue lines.
Because you got the blue lines! You have your blue lines!
I really smarter than me.
This dotted line, what do you think the dotted line on our example that we're copying, what do you think the dotted line means? Do you remember, does anybody remember what the dotted line means? Anyone remember what the dotted line means?
Dotted.
What is a dotted line?
We put the text in, don't we?
Dotted line.
What is the dotted line?
Dotted line.
Oh, the dash line.
The dashes? I'm sorry, not the dots. Yeah, you're correct. Dashes. What's the dashes mean? Anybody remember?
No, but we did do vocab over this.
We did do vocab over this. We did vocabulary over this. Who remembers the vocabulary and what do dashes mean?
Dasher, Prince.
What? No, not Dasher Prince.
What's dash?
They
I see a
lied.
couple of people looking in their notebooks.
It's not in our notebooks.
This is a hidden line. This is a hidden line. Dashes represent a hidden line. Why is this hidden? Why is this line going straight across on this blue line? Why is this a hidden line?
Because it's the hidden one?
No, explain it to me.
Because
Why is that a hidden line?
So it don't connect? So you can connect the other ones? I don't know.
No, because you're looking at the left side and it's representing this right here.
There's some cool beans, bro.
Isn't it cool beans?
Yeah, cool beans, dude.
Okay, let's come over to our front. So our front is a flip of this. How far away from the edge is this? 1.
That's 2 away.
Is that 2? This is 2. So is that going to be 1 or is that going to be 2?
1.
1? You think it's going to be 1?
What talking about?
We're talking about we're flipping it.
Yeah, it's gonna
So if it goes in like this,
it gotta go one.
Oh, no, I see it. I know what you're talking about.
you see it?
The
You understand now?
Yeah.
So I don't have to, now I don't have to measure, I don't have to count, because I have my guidelines.
Is this? What's
There we
this?
go, 0, 1, 2.
Air sanitizer, Lysol.
So we can spray this?
Yeah.
It don't smell right.
Where?
Over here.
Well, don't spray it in anybody's faces.
Yeah, I'm not.
Look, I don't have to count here. All right, how far is this away from the end? 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2.
I already drew marches, Liz. I'm ahead of the game.
There you go. Here's our directions.
Let's see children go book down bars from the child. What the hell? Why she word girl?
That's okay, they can watch Word Girl. All right, what about our right-hand side? What about our right-hand side? Where is it on our example, on screen? Right here.
Do we gotta make some more blue lines?
You're gonna make more blue lines, yes.
Oh, I thought we had to make them right now.
Let's go straight across, because we already have our blue lines across.
Look at that motherfucking ruler on my face.
Gentlemen, please stop using the curse words.
But y'all on camera, bro.
Yep, you're on camera.
Oh, we are.
Uh-huh,
You recording still?
uh-huh.
Hey y'all. Hey y'all. It's Chase getting go follow me. Chase get out _. You heard me? Hey.
What does a solid line mean? What does a solid line mean?
You did right already?
What does a solid line represent?
Non-hidden line.
Well, it's a non-hidden line, but what a solid line, think about it, is your object line. This is your object line. Now why do we have a solid object line right here? Somebody take a guess.
What you got on your paper?
Somebody take a guess. Why do we have a solid object line right here, but we have a hidden line right here?
Because if you like that sometimes.
Why?
Because on the left, the line not solid. Because on the left, you probably can't see the line.
Because on the left, it's hidden. It's on the other side of this object. Yeah.
The line is really on the right side.
It's there, but it's hidden in our drawing. So we have to let it. So how high up is this? Let's take a guess. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now let's move up.
Bro, what the hell y'all talking about?
I don't know, but I'm gonna be.
I like some free. Talk about niggas being
Gentlemen, stop.
He just called you baby.
No, you do not call a teacher that. You ready? Get out your blue pencil, get out your ruler.
I can't with y'all niggas.
I can't do this no more. Y'all both just drinking at the same time.
Don't worry, man. Give to your man Pepsi. Your Pepsi used to say back in the day.
How is that going to help us?
How you get 3 of them?
1, 1, 2, 3. How do these lines help us?
Bitch ass dumbass nigga.
He doesn't have blue lines.
Students, I am very embarrassed and disappointed.
In her first period class telling y'all art.
All right, our bottom, how far off the edge is this one? 0, 1, 2. 2. 0, 1, 2. We know this goes here. We know that it's a height of 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, down 5. Drawing on this coloring pencil, my marker is starting to wear out.
You go down to?
Now, where's our dotted line going to go? I did go down 2. Our dotted line is going to go right here.
I can't see that.
I mean, our dash. Our dashes are going to go right here. over this blue line.
The mom says down her face up there, I don't want to show.
So what did we do down here? We reproduce it up here, 0, 1, 2. No, I went down 5.
I said, imagine just being hot. You couldn't just take that good ass soap. You know what we crack by somebody just pull switch it.
All right, if you have not done so, draw in your lines from all your connected corners.
Wait,
I just mapped mine out, and now I'm going to put my lines in.
you know,
I thought he's gonna do it with the blue. You gonna do it with the blue?
My marker's not working on this right now, so I'm going to do it with my pencil now. So connect all your direction, all your dots, and all your connection lines. I mean your direction lines.
That shit tight.
If you have all your lines connected, you still have time. I want you to get a pair of scissors, and you're going to share the Scotch tape. You're going to make yourself a box.
whoa, wait. That's gonna beg the police for me to let him live. Look, off the head, but I don't feel like I'm button it up and like being on yourself again.
There you go.
Turn this in. Put it in a notebook.
Yeah, put these in your notebook, so when you turn it in,
Yeah, I'm bouncing. I'm so fucking fast. I done left out and took the kill. She won't go for the game. She acting out. I know she will. She took out some years ago. If I let shit, I take risks and go for the kills. Being on really good, coming into the back to the
honey, I'm recording. Please don't. No. Get one of those baskets. Put it up here. Make sure there's no notebooks in it.
Told me about that. He's not the black Look, and look at this nigga paper, bro.
Blank.
Y'all been started.
Class, this is not what you're supposed to do. A blank fucking paper. Now copy the copy and do your work.
Now we need a.
Oh, I tell your mama.
Miss Williams, do we use to finish it? That's the square stuff. Do we use
Yeah, I know.
Obadiah, I'm sorry, I can't hear you over.
You use the blue color pencil to outline or you use the red?
No, the blue color pencil is just your direction lines. Yeah, it's just a guide. Your blue colored pencil is just a guide.
It's a midget walking up on me. I'm trying to zip your slip, bro.
For anybody that's listening to this recording, I don't know how to apologize for my students not being quiet and paying attention, and so that they're not disruptive. I really don't know how to apologize for that. All right, there's your finished sketch project. The next portion of this project is going to be you're going to recreate these blocks and do what's called a glass box project.
You ain't talking about nobody I know. You ain't talking about nobody I know. You ain't talking about nobody I know. You wouldn't be talking about OG.